everyone, I'm Ann, and today I've been thinking about my grandma Zola, and she used to make my favorite dessert growing up, you guys. She called it apple crisp, and so I was thinking today, let's switch it up and cook something sweet. Hola a todos, soy Ann. Hoy estaba pensando en mi abuela Zola, y ella hizo mi postre favorito. Me encantó su manzana crujiente. Así que pensé, ¿por qué no vamos a hacer algo dulce? So today, guys, these are the ingredients we'll use for the apple crisp. You're going to need butter, oats, flour, your favorite kind of apples, brown sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg. So I'm going to give you a few minutes to get everything ready, and then I'll meet you right back here, and we'll get started. Hey, everyone. So did you get all your ingredients gathered up so we're ready to make this yummy apple crisp? I'm so excited. So I have just a small dish. It's like a 8 by 8. So if you do a bigger one, then you're going to want to increase your ingredients. And you're going to want to peel and slice your apples. About this big. So I'm going to use 1.5 cups of butter. And I'm just going to coat the butter. It's soft. You don't want it melted, but soft. So I'm going to coat the bottom of the dish first. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the apples in. This is so easy, you guys. Like, you're going to love it. And then, sorry, I have to wipe my hands. You guys have butter on it. I'm going to sprinkle it with cinnamon. And a little nutmeg. Now if you like both cinnamon and nutmeg, then do both. If you only like nutmeg but not cinnamon, or you like cinnamon but not nutmeg, so you guys choose how you want to do that. So that's all we're going to do to the apples for a minute. I'm going to set that to the side. So we've got our butter. We're going to add our sugar, brown sugar. It's 1.5 cups. I'm just going to mix everything together with my hands, guys. And 1/2 cup of oats. So 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 1.5 cups of oats, 1/2 cup of flour. And that's going to be the crumble that's going to go on our apples. Apple crisp. So we're just going to mix it. You can use a spoon if you want, but I'm going to use my hands. You guys have like your favorite recipes that your grandma used to make you? She likes memories. My favorite. So we're going to go ahead and mix this till it's all good and crumbly. So I'm going to let you guys work on that. Go ahead and get your apples peeled and sliced. Sprinkle them with your cinnamon sugar, your nutmeg. Put all your ingredients in a bowl. Mix it up, and I'll see you back in just a minute. All right, everybody. So did you get your ingredients all mixed together and your apples seasoned? Doesn't get any easier than this. So we're just going to take that crumble. We're going to put it on top of the apples. Kind of loose. So remember, if you do a big pan, you'll want to increase your ingredients. You guys, I'm eating mine with vanilla ice cream. Gotta have ice cream or whipped cream. Whichever you prefer. This is like so easy, right, guys? And I think I'm going to stop right there. So, you see what it looks like? Nice and loose on there. Now we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven at 350 for 30 or 40 minutes. And then we'll check it. So keep an eye on it. Check it at 30 minutes. See if it's golden and brown on top. And if your apples feel soft, then yours is ready. Check back in with you guys. All right, everyone, it's been 30 minutes, and I went ahead and took mine out. It's all done. Smells so yummy. Got it dished up with my vanilla ice cream. I'm ready for dessert. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it becomes one of your favorites from my Grandma Zola. Let me know if you guys liked it. Have a great day. See you next time. Remember to like and subscribe.